Learning how to draw hair has never been so easy, and here you'll learn it step by step. First, let's start by drawing the sketch. I draw a circle as the base for the head shape, and from there I draw the shape of the hair. We need to keep in mind where the light and shadow will go. Here, I outline the illuminated area of the hair and the dark area, keeping in mind that the shape of the head is kind of like a sphere. Now we set the direction of the hair from the outside in. With these guides, we can start shading the drawing. I'm using a Faber-Castell 3B pencil. In the darkest area, I press harder with the pencil, and as I get closer to the light area, I reduce that pressure and slightly lift the pencil. We do this shading with lines, as if we were already drawing each hair. The next step is to blend in order to spread the graphite and soften those strokes. Now, with a darker pencil, in this case an 8B, we add another layer of graphite to make the drawing darker. This way, we get more contrast and the drawing looks more realistic. We shouldn't be afraid to darken our drawings. We do it the same way we did the first layer, pressing at the beginning and easing off at the end. Using a small trim brush, I start blending again. I use this brush because it helps to work the graphite into the paper better. And this way, we also soften the stroke a bit, darken the drawing a little more, and do it without losing the texture of those strokes. This way, the overall hair shapes stay intact too. With a 0.5mm mechanical pencil, I start detailing the finer hairs. I recommend that the lead you use is 4B or darker. We make these strokes gently in the light areas, and in the shadows we can apply more pressure. After drawing those fine hairs, we can blend again with the trimmed brush. Thank you. And now my favorite part with the Tombow Mono Monocero eraser. I start drawing the highlights. I do it as if I were drawing each hair. And I mainly do it in the light areas. With a scalpel, I cut the tip of the eraser diagonally to make it a little finer. You can also use a kneaded eraser or cut a regular school eraser so that it has a sharp corner. We apply this same technique to the rest of the drawing. We can also apply these techniques to any type of hairstyle. We just need to keep in mind the shape of the strands and where the highlights and shadows go. The more time you take drawing the hair, the better and more realistic it will look. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. If you want to learn how to draw like a pro, I leave a very useful playlist for you at the end.